Hello guys, this is the blind OS command injection with output redirection. So let's get started. So here I am going to run the whoami command and I am going to output it to a file which I'll store it to this directory which they have given us is writable. So let's get started. So let me access the lab. So this is the lab. This is going to load in just a second. And make sure your perp suite is quite configured and it's ready to use. And now I need to find a point which is where OS command injection can be, it could be injected, which is vulnerable to OS command injection. So let me just put in some names. Lisa, and before sending this request I'll turn my interceptors on. So this thing actually has a backstory to it. So what is actually happening, so I'm going to transfer this to the repeater and I'm going to forward this. So the backstory is that whatever email you put over here, so it will send you a thank you on your own email, it will reply back. So over here I'm going to cut off this connection, this email connection, and I'm going to run my own command. So here I'll cut off this connection by a semicolon, and then let's check for let's just check whether this thing is working or not, which is the blind OS command connection via ping command. So ping -c10 and then the IP. If you'll watch my previous video, then you will know this is not a compulsory or necessary phase to do. This is just what I am doing to check if it is working or not. So I'll show you before and after of what happened. Yeah, so it could not save, so it's not running, so it did not run. So rather than semicolon, let me try OR. Will it run now? When I try OR, let me send this. No, could not save. Let's try double OR, and if double OR did not work, I'll try double AND. Just like that, I need to keep trying till the time something works. So now this has worked, and the proof of this is that I cannot see anything on the right side for 10 seconds, and it also did not give me an error. So now I can run anything in this place. Here I can put my malicious code and everything will work. So I need to redirect this output, as the lab says that I need to redirect this whoami to this place. So let me run whoami. Let me redirect to subs folder. So let's name it subs.txt. Please subs to my SS channel subs, and let me send this request, and the request has successfully went. So now I have done with this request part. Now where is this folder, where is the subs? I need to find that as well. So it says this is the general website over here, and in this website, if I'll press Ctrl U to see the source code, you will see that on this page, this picture is coming from images. They say that images is the one which is writable. There is a writable folder images, but I cannot just go directly to the images, because that's over here. See, this is the where image is loading. This thing is loading from here, where image src is equal to images and the file name is given some value. So we created our own file name and we named it subs. Yeah, we named it subs. See, here it is whoami, and I redirected to subs. So I am going to change this to subs.txt, and yep, I see the result which I was getting, like which we wanted to see. There's another method of solving this. Let's even do it via that method. That is over here only. I'll go to the proxy, turn my interceptors on, and let me reload this page. So I got a request. So I forward this request. This request is for product ID 1, is to see this product page. So I'll forward this. So after forwarding this request, I received another request which is the session. That's fine. Okay, fine. Now this has loaded, but still the image has still not loaded. So for the image to load, this is the one for the image loading. This is the place where the image is. This is the get request for image, and again I'm going to send this to repeater. Okay, and in repeater also, rather than 38, we can do this as subs.txt. Let me send this, and you can see the username, which is Peter. And after this, you have congratulations, you have solved the lab. Congratulations. Okay, and that is it. And so I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe, and see you next time. Bye bye.